this is a review of the acid reflux medication that I would definitely recommend. So it's pretty much a medication that's, for those people that, have acid reflux issues, and it's a remedy. So it's not like a permanent solution to the problem. So it'll help reduce the heartburn and pretty much any issues you have regarding your digestive, issues, or, stomach issues. It will help reduce that, and heartburns, like I mentioned. Over here on this side right here, it mentions some of the facts about what it, provides. It supports ideal stomach acid levels, perfect for heartburn and, stomach sour. Like pretty much if you have, stomach burns, then it, helps with that out as well too. It will reduce the acid reflux, and it's for your acid indigestive as well too. And it's a liquid, absorbs into your body. So, and it tells right here on the bottom here and about the directions on how you exactly, pretty much use this medication, and tells the servings per day. It states that as well too. Overall, I would definitely recommend this medication if you are pretty much have issues with acid reflux. Then this is a good remedy solution. And although it's not like a permanent solution, but this is, a good medication to have if you want to reduce the level of, acid reflux. Then this is probably one of the best recommendations I have regarding about acid reflux. Then I, would definitely recommend this medication.